go through some of the look going out.
It's Liverpool Street, Liam. Yes? Liverpool Station. We are going at the ground. Change the line. Hi, my name is Tanya. I would love to take you to Canary Wharf. I have to take Elizabeth line. It is a new line. Was opened recently. Stay with me. Will be very interesting. This is a platform with safety doors.
Service to Shenfield.
Train coming.
That's where the doors open, right?
Yeah, we watch the door. Will be open there.
Right on the button.
Yeah. Train arrived. Door is open. It's not our train actually. Have to wait another one. Yeah, door is shut. It's new design. I think it's very safe. Here there's fire alarm and emergency point and information. You can use it. My train arrived. It's packed.
Whitechapel.
It's a beautiful train, beautiful design, very fast.
Yes, normally, yes. I'm going to tell you something.
We're getting off.
Canary Wharf. This is the train
So there's another train station here, Jubilee line. Take you up to Suez, you know.
Yeah. This one, Liam. We're going up.
Yeah, lights up at night.
This is station brand new as well. Canary Wharf, yeah? Way out.
this here, do all this walk.
This is Canada Place. Beautiful design before Christmas.
There's Morgan Stanley, they're big financiers, hedge fund company, that one, small block. So if you're investing money, that's where that goes.
Oh, this one? What is
I
it?
don't know what that is. If you walk that way, it goes through to the docks. Should we go? Or do you want to go to the park? There's a park here, look. See? Yeah, all this bit here is going to be done up. Yeah? This is all going to be improved.
It's a beautiful
Oi.
building. This is River Thames, yes, Liam?
Not really.
No?
Don't forget here, this is where the ships used to land years ago. Right? I had more ships here than any other place in the world. They
Okay.
used to come up here. Yeah?
Yeah.
But all this has been refigured. It's the headquarters of Morgan Stanley, Canary Wharf, big investment bankers.
And Citibank,
HSBC.
HSBC Bank as well.
Yeah.
H-
HSBC, which stands for the Hong Kong.
we came to shopping area. It's a Zara shop. Perfumes shop. Costa. I don't drink coffee. Food, cafes. Shop Dune, it's the worst shoes ever. Very hot and most uncomfortable shoes. I don't like this brand. Hi, darling. Just have a look, sandwiches. Lots of varieties: bread, buns. Sushi. £6. Salad, Korean salad, very tasty. Love it. Very busy. It's 12 o'clock. People coming from the offices for lunch. Very, very busy shopping center.
So there's big fry pizzas.
Shop not busy. No customers because too expensive the shops. Christmas tree. It's exclusive. Price is over the moon. That's the prices. You need to earn 100,000 a year to visit the shops. Shop mango. $27.99. That's a reasonable price. That's not bad. It's lovely. This dress is lovely. Love this dress. $45.99. It's beautiful. Love it. Watch shop. Who is buying this watch? It's cost 121,000. Oh my god. It's expensive.
Scared of doing that.
Hello, sir.
No, Australia are in the same position.
Rolex. Prices 7,000, 5,000, 8,600. That's the prices. Where are we going? Which way?
Yeah, I want to get out of here, out in the open. See you later, mate.
Go. What's the shoes shop? John's. Oh,
It's a sale.
let's go have a look.
You want to have this store? is
Sale.
closing down.
John's
Closing
shop.
down.
It's closing down. It looks like business was not very good. Close it down. You have a look there. Shoes. 69.
Funny boots, I think. Let's have a look at the
Horrible. Oh, prices. My god, even reduced. Still too much money. 45. No, I think it's overpriced anyway. One pretty, £49. These shoes, £149, men's shoes.
They're amazing. They're all for people with little feet.
Yeah, this is shops really for different class of people. Yeah, the shopping center about the offices, staff earning 100,000 a year. They can come and buy it. You can't afford it because we are working class. No way. 30% off. What's the original price of the shoes? Let's go, William.
They're an expensive shop at the best of times. They've got a couple of them up in London, Bond Street, Oxford Street.
Yeah,
Jones, yeah, they've been going a long time.
yeah.
But all their shoes are made of gold.
Christmas tree decoration, ready for the Christmas. It looks beautiful. And as you noticed, it's a different class of people in this area. Yeah. Oh my god, it's fresh soup. What soup? Soup and bread. Love it. It's homemade. It's a homemade soup. Yeah?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's gorgeous. But curious. Oh my god, it's lovely. Daily item. Oh, that's a variety. Food, amazing. £2.
Can I have onion chili?
I'm no wondering people queuing here because its stuff is lovely. Look at this salad. This is a price, isn't it? Is this a price? Thank you. £9.65 just for box of salad. Well, oh, I'm going wrong way. Where I am? Oh. Great. And lots of food shops, stalls, cakes. Prices. This is tiny cake, 22.50, 25. Back there. No worries, darling. No worries. Some more sushis. Sushi steaks. £6.80. Yeah? Okay. This is lunch. Lunchtime, people come out from the offices, have lunch. It's affordable.